landed in Cambodia. It was a 1-hour flight from Bangkok, and now we're gonna exchange money and go get picked up by our driver. We're staying at the Metta. When you walk into your left, there is the water closet here. There's a standing shower, and there's a giant tub, which is like the width of the room. You walk around. Here's the mirror. And then the bed, sofa. And then here's the pool. It's beautiful. We may have ordered a little bit too much. Good morning, it's 4:45 a.m. Jiva and I are so tired. We're gonna go to temple to see sunrise. We just got our tickets at the Angkor Wat ticket entrance. It's pretty pricey. It's like 37 US per person, and the currency here, they actually use US a lot, so it's kind of shocking, but they printed out our faces on our tickets, and now we're gonna get back on our private tuk-tuk. We woke up at 4:30 and we tried calling the reception and asking if they can come back for night. But they said that our tuk-tuk driver was already on the way, so we got up and we're ready. And G was complaining that he wanted 15 more minutes of sleep. Just 15. So many tourists here. We sat and waited, but it was so quiet, and then right as the sun was coming up, all these like critter noises came out. We came pretty early, so it's not too packed. You got into the perfect time when I said we came pretty early, but it's so nice. We're done at the Angkor Wat. It's fully sunny now. We just popped up on our tuk-tuk and we're going to Bayon Temple. The hangman man over here is eating his food, so hopefully it gets a little bit better. He's having a cupcake and bread. Now we're at the Bayon Temple, which me and Jiva are saying it's actually a little bit better than Angkor Wat, and it's closer walking wise. Some food. Gina got a margarita pizza, and I got this noodle dish, which is, I forgot the name of it, but it has prawns, it has squid in it, and it was delicious yesterday when we tried it. Good morning.
Lady, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.